Hello, my name is Shadi Masood, and in this video I'm going to show you a demo of Freedcamp. Freedcamp is considered one of the best and cheapest project management software in the market. So let's get started with the plans. View pricing plans, and here is a list of all the plans that offered by Freedcamp. They offer 4 plans. All 4 plans include unlimited tasks, project and storage. The prices are considered low compared to other project management software. Free and minimalist plans offer simple, similar features, but the minimalist plan offers better single file size limit, and it can be integrated with Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. As you move to the right with the plans, more features are offered. One of the most useful features in Freedcamp are add-ons. Freedcamp have a variety of add-ons that can be used to utilize the project depending on the type of project. Some of the add-ons require a business or enterprise plans. I will talk more about the add-ons individually later on the project. But before we go, here is a table that lists every feature that can be offered for each plan. Let's get back to the home page and start with the interface. The interface is really simple and great, and it takes only few minutes on the software to get familiar with. The main dashboard is located in the top, and there is another dashboard. You can access it on the left, but not from this page. The main board, the first one in the main board is home, which is this page. Second is the projects, which is used to view all the projects and teams. Here is the project I have. 2 project, birthday planning and shrimp fettuccine alfredo recipe, and it shows the teams I have created. The second one here is the task board. You can view all the tasks from all the projects. Freedcamp offers a very helpful filter here. You can select, for example, the shrimp fettuccine and view only the task of this project. Also, you can, for example, set the priority to high so you can start working on them. Another way to view those tasks is using the calendar board. The board can be useful to know which tasks we should focus on depending on pretty cool. Okay, next is the widget board right here. It offers a customizable view to help you track and control what's going on, especially if you have too many projects and you like to make your own interface. All those dashboards are global. That means that they view all the tasks of all the projects. To view and edit specific project, you can select the project on the right board here. For example, let me select the shrimp fettuccine alfredo project. Here it shows I have 4 tasks with no progress, 1 task in progress, and 1 completed. Let me switch to the other project. to see my tasks. Okay, very cool thing here, you can view the task in a different way. This is viewed as list. I can view them and Kanban sort the task according to the progress. Here I have one with no progress, 3 in progress, and 1 completed. Those 2 are a subtask of the main task, which is food. Same applied to those. So let's try to add a new task. This is a birthday planning, so we have decoration, food, cake, invitations, and music. Let's delete this task and add it again. Music, description, create a playlist, assign to Shadi Masood, priority medium, start date 23rd and due date 27th. As I proceed with this task, I can browse a file, upload it with a list of music. It's very helpful feature. Save, and here is it. It's added to no progress. To edit the tasks, I think it's easier to edit them as list because I can just drag and drop the priority, the progress, the assignment. For example, the one I just made is the music with medium priority. I just can drag the low, and now it's on low priority. Somehow now I completed the project. Okay. I will talk more now about the users and roles. Here are all the roles that can be assigned. The owner and project administrator can assign roles to the team members. The role can be specific to a single user or to a group of users, which is called a team. The team can have access over one project or have access over all the projects. The planning team that I have created here have access over this project only, the birthday planning. Each role has different accessibility over the project. For example, if you are inviting a client to your project and you want them to view the project without being able to edit, you can assign them as guests or observer. As you can see, it has limited access to the project. Okay, let's get back to the tasks. Let's select the shrimp fettuccine alfredo and see the left dashboard. We talked about the tasks. You can set the priority, due dates, and assign tasks to people. If you want to edit a task, you can simply drag and drop the due date, for example, from the right to a specific task. Milestones can be used in cooperation with tasks. Milestone basically a group of tasks that have a that can be used together as a milestone with a specific assigned due date. So in order for this milestone to be completed, all the tasks assigned to it have to be completed before the due date of the milestone. The calendar here, it's similar to the calendar here. You can view all the tasks, milestones and events in a daily or weekly or monthly view modes. Files here. Freedcamp offer unlimited file upload, but limit the single size of file uploads. Here you can easily access and search all the files you uploaded to your projects. Discussions here, it's allows people to communicate ideas in a very fast way. The discussion gets updated constantly, so if someone writes a comment while the discussion is open, the new comment will appear. It's basically like a forum, very useful to talk and share with your team. A very cool feature here is passwords. People may require password to access from each other to able to log in a different programs. Freedcamp have a feature of sharing password with people. Of course, you can manage the people who can have this access to those passwords. I have created a password for the apartment building here, so if anyone want to access the building, they can check it and use it. In more complicated project, you may have too many passwords, so it's really useful to have a list of passwords, so everyone, instead of sending a message asking about the password, you can have all the passwords listed here. The CRM is to keep a contact list organized and accessible to people. Here I have only one contact list, which is Housemith. Okay. If the interface is pretty simple here, but if something does not work and you need help, you can access the tutorial and support. It offers a knowledge article. For example, if you want to know about widget board, you can press it and see a detailed explanation about it. Pretty cool. If you have a question that is not included here, you can contact the help desk and their response time is pretty fast, especially if you are on the enterprise plan. So in summary, I would say Freedcamp is a user-friendly project management software which offers very useful features. It's simple and have low price. It works best for students or small to medium projects. I think large and complicated projects may require more advanced software which offer more fancy features. Thank you very much.